how to buy encryptSIM token. So this token came under the symbol of eSIM. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before we go on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 3 days ago and increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 21 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your Phantom wallet for that. Now click on swap here. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, now to select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider here, select the Jupiter for example, click on apply. Now go back, make sure to read all this information here, click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy eSIM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.